動中です。
As most of you guys know that the mythic Switchblade X9 is coming back, and I'm here today to tell you some things about the mythic before you buy it.
攻撃モードへ移行します。警戒してください。エネルギーチャージを開始します。チャージ速度が向上しました。チャージ最大値へ到達しました。ハイパーモードへ移行します。
In my honest opinion, this has to be one of the best looking mythics, and the most satisfying guns to use. Every time I kill someone, either spanking it, or I'm But the answer people have been asking, not from me, but other people, that is this mythic even worth it? In my opinion it is if you want to get a really cool looking gun, or a cool kill effect. For it being $300, I think it's worth it. And if you're wondering how much COD points would it cost, here it is on screen. Depending where your region is, it will either cost less or more. That was about it. I just want to show you guys what the gun has to offer and what it fully looks like. I hope this helps in either changing your mind to getting it or not. Anyways, that's all I had to say. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe, it'll help me a lot.